Another Maker's Minute for you, and today we're doing aluminium. We're using the DeWalt D26200 at 27k RPM. We're cutting 6082 aluminium, 4mm, clamped in each corner. 1/8 inch collet with the 1/8 inch bit, 2 flute upcut, solid carbide. WorkBee 0 is in the centre of the aluminium. Feed rate 615mm per minute, plunge rate 300mm per minute, 0.5mm pass depth. Small holes now done. Now change for the 1/4 inch bit to do the outside and the final big holes. Spray the piece with some lubricant. 1/4 inch solid carbide 2 flute upcut. Spindle speed 16k RPM. Feed rate 730mm per minute. Plunge rate 360mm per minute. With a 20mm ramp at 0.5mm pass depth. Assemble the dowel ring wheels onto the V-slot gantry plate. One DIY aluminium gantry plate done.